What is linear regression? Linear regression is a statistical method used to understand the relationship between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables by fitting a linear model to the observed data. This method is used to predict the value of the dependent variable based on the values of the independent variables, key components. Dependent variable, y. Independent variables, x linear model, dot objectives. Model the relationship, understand how changes in the independent variables influence the dependent variable. Prediction, use the model to predict future values of the dependent variable based on new data for the independent variables. Insight, provide insights into the significance and strength of the relationships between the variables. Assumptions, linearity, independence, homoscedasticity, normality. Advantages, simplicity, easy to understand and implement, interpretability, the coefficients provide clear insights into the relationships between variables. Efficiency, computationally less intensive, making it suitable for large datasets. Disadvantages, assumption sensitivity, results can be misleading if the assumptions are violated. Outliers, the method is sensitive to outliers, which can significantly affect the model. Linearity. Limitation, it only captures linear relationships, so it may not perform well with nonlinear data. Applications. Economics, predicting economic indicators like GDP growth based on multiple factors. Healthcare, estimating patient outcomes based on various health metrics. Marketing, forecasting sales based on advertising spend, pricing strategies, and other factors. Linear regression is a foundational tool in statistics and machine learning, providing a straightforward approach to modeling and predicting relationships between variables. Describe how linear regression can be used in predictive modeling. Linear regression is a statistical method used to model the relationship between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables by fitting a linear line to observed data. It is a fundamental technique in both statistics and machine learning, used for prediction and understanding relationships. Key components. The main components of linear regression include the dependent variable, which is the outcome we aim to predict or explain, and the independent variables, which are the predictors used to make predictions about the dependent variable. Objectives. The primary objectives of linear regression are to model the relationship between the dependent and independent variables, predict values of the dependent variable based on known values of the independent variables, and gain insights into the significance and strength of these relationships. Assumptions. Linear regression relies on several key assumptions. Linearity assumes a straight-line relationship between the variables. Advantages. One of the main advantages of linear regression is its simplicity. It is easy to understand, interpret, and implement. Disadvantages. Despite its simplicity, linear regression has some disadvantages. It is sensitive to the assumptions it relies on, and violations of these assumptions can lead to inaccurate or misleading results. Applications. Linear regression is widely used in various fields. In economics, it can predict indicators like inflation or unemployment rates based on various factors. Linear regression is a foundational tool for modeling relationships and making predictions. It provides valuable insights and serves as a starting point for more complex models, despite its limitations and assumptions.